Welcome to Self-Improvement Academy. Grow yourself every day with Coco Shungsun. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. 3 things you must have to make lots of money fast. Wherever you are presently in your life, you can begin to make large amounts of money very fast if you understand a few simple principles. Despite what anyone may tell you, these principles of generating money fast do work. These principles are not difficult, but in order to understand them, you must process them. You must take the time to give them some thought, until the thought becomes a part of your very being. How to make money fast is one of the hot topics on everyone's mind. Most people will tell you that claims of making fast money is a hoax. Those are the very people who believe that only hard work and struggle can create money. However, despite the hard work, the concept of fast money is still not part of the equation. After all, if you are working very hard, you are unlikely to be making the sort of fast money that you would dream of. I can tell you from first-hand experience that fast money does not come through hard work. If you are marketing your business or interested in accumulating more money, struggling will only kill your chances of getting money in a fast and easily way. The first thing you need in order to make fast money is to have a clear goal. How much do you want? You would be so surprised at how many people want more money, but don't have a clear idea as to how much they want. Without a clear goal, your desire is just a wish, it is not concrete. Be specific about how much money you want and by when you would like to have it. The very next step is to take inspired action. Inspired action comes from the universe as a nudge. It's the perfect idea, job or business that will help you in getting your goal accomplished. It makes no sense trying to do something that your neighbor or your co-worker tried. What is an ideal opportunity to make fast money for them may not be ideal for you. Besides, your goals are unique and the opportunities that are rightfully aligned for you are rightfully suited for you to reach your goal in the time that you desire. The third most powerful step is to have a clear and bright vision of your goal. This is where most people fail. Most people get caught up in fear and worry that their goal will not be able to materialize and spend lots of wasted time holding back on their actions. How many times have you been offered a great idea, which you may have promised to do, but allowed your fears to get in the way? You must be able to hold your vision in such a way as to feed it with your own personal powerful intention that your vision will materialize as money a lot faster than usual. Many people who understand the power of holding a clear vision have gone on to make money very fast again and again. Those are the ones who deeply understood the precise way. With a little time and your deep desire, you can literally suck money to you faster. Over the years, I can honestly say that I have tested all these theories, and without fail they work in generating money faster than if I did not practice these methods. We hope you will achieve your objectives. All the best to you. Learn more at uni24x7.com. Coco Shungsun pays you to have fun. CocoShungsun.net